Rotary. Conical machining. A new feature has been added to rotary machining. This new option allows rotary machining on conical workpieces for roughing and finishing strategies. Two new parameters are available. Cone angle. The angle between the cone and the rotation axis. Cutting depth limits in machining direction limits the machining area according to the user-defined conical limits. The benefits. The tool orientation is orthogonal to a user-defined value to improve machining normal to conical floor surfaces. It reduces the number of depth steps for roughing. Allows finishing without step-downs for conical workpieces, which results in less linking movements.